Okay, this is gonna be re-upload because the last one, lighting was just so bad. Now you can see this, so I'm gonna solve it. So let's get to it. Um, okay. Okay, I'm almost done here. Just like 2 more algorithms. Damn. Okay. And more. And this is it. I'm done. All 6 sides are solved. And yeah. So be sure to subscribe to me. I'm new here. And write in the comments down below if you can do any better. And make sure to like this video too. It's right here. And yeah. Hope you guys like the video. So yeah. That's it. See you later.